Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. Today I want to talk about a new feature in Microsoft 365 or Office 365 that you may not have seen or not have heard about. So this is something totally new. It's just getting released now, so you may not even see this in your portal. But I see a lot of tenants, a lot of our customers are already seeing it in their portal. I'm going to share my screen and go over it real quick. Here's my screen. So if you go to the admin portal, simply go to portal.office.com, and then on the left hand side click on admin. And in the admin portal, what you want to do is you want to go into show all. So once you go into show all, you will see the reports section. Go ahead and click on reports. The new thing that you're going to see is productivity score. So you already had security and compliance, you already had usage, but the new thing is productivity score. So let's click on that, drill down a little bit. So the productivity score is using AI on the back end to figure out how productive is your environment. Now, initially, it's not going to show you very accurate data because it's just released. It's still compiling all that data that it has access to. But as time goes on, this will become more and more accurate. So as you can see, for this organization, the productivity score is 48%. So this is organization-wide. Now you can see it breaks it down into a few different sections. So we have the people experiences here. We can see some information specific, some metrics specific to people experiences, collaboration, meetings, communication, things like that. And then if we go down, so now before we go down, one thing to note here is that not only does it only show you your organizational metrics, but it also shows you a good peer benchmark. So other companies in similar industries, similar types of companies, where they stand. So as you can see, the content collaboration, this organization is way higher than what the industry standard is right now. But as time goes on, this will become more and more accurate. We don't do a lot of meetings, so the meetings are, and this is not accurate, but you get the idea. So if we scroll down, you see some teamwork and mobility metrics as well. So now down here we have the technology experience. So here we see how the apps are doing, how the network connectivity is, whether people are connecting from bad connections, good connections, but great analytics here, great metrics here, and you can customize your endpoint analytics. But yeah, so this is something totally new. Now on the right hand side, this is what's very interesting is your overall score, and it kind of takes both people experiences, technology experiences, and kind of gives you an overall score, and then of course the score history. Really good stuff. I mean, this is where AI can really shine, is when it can process tons tons of data and then compare it with your peers and see how you're doing, as opposed to having to collect this information and compile it yourself. Now you have these metrics right here, and then you can kind of target which needle you want to move with your process changes, and then you can tally that up with the metric chart, next month or next quarter, whatever have you. So really good stuff. This is something new. It's not even rolled out everywhere, but this is something that you might want to check out. It may already be available in your tenant. So what you want to do is go to portal.office.com, go into admin, click show all, go into reports, productivity score. That's something new. So yeah, Microsoft is just firing on all cylinders. A lot of new things are coming into focus, and things are changing. One of the other things that is coming, it's just on the horizon. It's not released yet, so I'm not going to talk about it, but it's very interesting. has to do with has to do with cloud, of course, but I'm not going to give you more information. So until Wednesday, everybody have a great day and be safe out there.